In this video, I will show how to move page up or down in Microsoft Word. So there are some way. To move a page. To move a page up or down in Microsoft Word, use the page up and page down keys on your keyboard. Almost you will find this key on your keyboard. So page up and press on page and down. If you have so many pages, and once you click on page up, and once you click on page up, so it will move to previous page, and if you press page down, so it will take you in the next page. If you have the page numbers, so we can see the properly. And once you press control page up, so it will take one by one page to upside, and page down, press and hold control and page down. And once you press shift and page down, so it will select content on that page. Same, you select, press and hold shift and page up, so it will select some paragraphs easily. So this is the video to learn how to page up or down in MS Word.